Hello. My name is the UnRAVeledGamer. Back again with yet another video. This time, I will be a tutorial for 7th graders on how to annotate non-fiction and fiction books, passages. Step 1. Read before you mark. Read different times, like reading once then reading twice to mark, in order to know on what to mark before you actually zone out of the story. Step 2. Start annotating with marks that you already know what best fits for you. For example, I can just think of ones that I already know from the top of my head, like the exclamation point for whenever I found something interesting, or the question mark for whenever I have a question for one of the pieces from that passage. All of the marks that I know are underlinings, just so you know what words that you don't understand from that story. Question marks, just so you can ask questions that you may have in the story. Exclamation points, just so you can point out something interesting. Pointing arrows, just so that you can make a connection with something that is the same as this thing. Step 3. Try to go for as many as you can, but don't do too many unnecessary things. Say if your goal is to do 100 marks from 10 per page, try to go as much as you can, but don't over the top it, because the teacher can know whether you are trying to go fake it just for a grade. Once you finish your goal, you can turn in your grade based on where you would normally turn in your work. Plus, don't procrastinate, please. I don't want to have to see you failing your own class. That is all for today, so I hope that you have a great day.